We are not separate. Understand? In muscle memory, you are different, I am different. In biomemory, you are separate, I am separate. You are different, I am different. In bioenergy, you, me, Mahadeva, Sadashiva, all one and the same. We all meet there. All of us are expression of that Purushatva. Ishwaratva means expression of that original source. I am not interested in using the word God because that is very diluted, polluted, ugly word. The Parambrahma, the Hindu word, Sadashiva, the Parabrahma, those words, the depth it expresses, the word God doesn't express. God is only generator, operator, destroyer. 3 action. But in Shaivite tradition, it is not 3, it is 5. Creation, maintenance, destroying, putting you in delusion and liberating. 5. So the word Sadashiva cannot be translated as God. God is a superficial word. See, in the West, whatever they know, creation, operation, destruction. So they put that concept, that frame into God. Only a person who has seen the depths of the being knows there is something called unmanifest. The action of putting in delusion and liberating is from unmanifest component of God. The Western theologians have not gone to the depth to discover that unmanifest dimension. That is why the word Sadashiva cannot be translated as God. You understand the word Sadashiva as it is. When I say Mahadeva, you understand it as it is. Don't try to translate the word into God. That is too superficial. Sadashiva means who does all these 5. Unmanifest. Avyakta means only one part of him is known to us. And there's a large is unknown to us. That Ishwaratva, that Purushatva, his bioenergy, your bioenergy, my bioenergy, all one and the same. All of you are clear? See, if you understand these sacred truths, no one will be able to cheat you. When these powers manifest, you will have the intelligence to play with them. See, Mahadeva, when he gave that signs, he is very clear. He says, when I give you power, I'll give you the knowledge not to become egoistic and celebrate that power. So this whole science is all about living and celebrating life. You don't have to be afraid, if I get the power, will I become egoistic, arrogant, abuse the power? No, you don't worry. You can't abuse. Even if you think of abusing, the power will leave you. You will be back. Even 2 eyes will not work. Forget about 3rd eye. So understand, the whole science is to awaken your bioenergy and make you celebrate the powers from your biomemory and possibilities from your muscle memory. And if you can, pick up these small Sanskrit words which I am using. Like Sadashiva can never be translated into God. If some guru tries to translate Sadashiva into God, he is missing the whole essence. Understand? The whole essence is lost. Sadashiva is not the God of the Western theologians present. See, the whole Abrahamic religions, all of them talk about God. All 3 accept the same definition of God. Judaism or Islam or Christianity. that definition of God is not the concept we explain through the word Sadashiva. When I utter Mahadeva, Sadashiva, I don't mean God. Understand? I don't mean God. What you understand as God is not Sadashiva or Mahadeva. He is much more. All of you are getting it? Maybe I have to use some more words. Some more letters and expand and come up with a new word. Why to come up with a new word? There is a beautiful word, Sadashiva. Directly understand, that's all. Mahadeva, Sadashiva, when I say those words, I mean the source which manifests as creation, maintains as sustenance, and withdraws as destruction, and puts its own part into delusion for the reasons unknown, and liberates itself as a Jivan Mukti, or Videha Mukti, or Kaivalya Mukti, liberation. So which plays with all this, and that source is what I call Sadashiva, Mahadeva. His reflection on your body is what I call Purusha, consciousness. Understand? This Atmalinga represents that Purusha, who is the reflection of Mahadeva, Sadashiva. By offering your devotion and feeling connection through this Atmalinga, you can reach Sadashiva. But by breaking this linga, you can't break Sadashiva. Understand? Understand? That is the whole truth. By worshipping it, you can reach Sadashiva. But by breaking it, you can't take revenge on Sadashiva. You can't break Sadashiva. That is why we say that it's a reflection of Sadashiva. Sometimes we also, when we are angry or feeling disconnected or frustrated, we try to disrespect the deity. No, that way you cannot express your... You can't damage God, understand? By damaging the deity. You can only offer your devotion and reach enlightenment. Only for that this is created, not for anything else.